In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Web Inspector in Safari on iPhone. So I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm going to do is open the Settings app. Once Settings opens up, I'll just start scrolling down through the list until I get to Apps. You want to keep going a little bit because there are quite a few options here, but once you see Apps, just tap on it. Now I'm inside the apps section, and from here I'm going to scroll down again until I find Safari. Since the apps are listed alphabetically, it usually gets easier once you get closer to the letter S. There it is, Safari, so I'm going to tap that and open it up. Once Safari settings are open, I'm going to scroll down through this page and look for Advanced. It's a little farther down, so just keep scrolling until you see it. When Advanced appears, go ahead and tap on that. Now I'm in the Advanced section for Safari, and this is where the setting we need is located. At this point I'm looking for Web Inspector. You should see a toggle next to it. If you want to enable Web Inspector, just tap the switch so it turns on. When the toggle is on, that means Web Inspector is enabled. If instead you want to disable it, you'll do the same thing and tap the switch again so it turns off. Once the toggle is off, Web Inspector is disabled. So really it just comes down to this one switch inside the advanced Safari settings. I'll show that again clearly. We started by opening settings, then we went down to apps. After that we opened Safari, then tapped on advanced, and right here you can turn Web Inspector on or off depending on what you need. If the switch is enabled, it stays on. If you tap it and remove that setting, then it stays off. There's nothing else you need to save, and there's no extra confirmation step here. So if you were trying to find where this option is on your iPhone, that's exactly where it is. Just go to Settings, Apps, Safari, Advanced, and then use the Web Inspector toggle. That's the whole process, and it only takes a moment once you know where to look. Once that's done, you can simply back out of Settings or close the app, and your change will already be applied.